Olá, olá. Dare you? Lego. Lego. There's no tomorrow. We're going behind in this race. There's no space for fear of sorrow. Is it true?
Okay, contestant number 1.
Like you with everyone.
Ako po si Princess Ruben. Great team. Magandang araw po. Ako si Nathan Tumbuong. Lumalaban ng Red Team. Mabuhay.
Contestant number 2.
Can you feel it?
Ako po, Papiano Shahad. Beauty. Kasi ang beauty.
Yay!
Okay, thank you, contestant number 2. Contestant number 3.
Magandang araw po sa inyo. Ang pangalan ko po si Ate Faith Alano. 7 years old. Beauty, mabuhay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aidan Satian Barnaya, representing the Blue Team.
Thank you. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Yamina Jason C. Paharalion, grade 2. At naniniwala ako sa kasabihang ang batang mabait di makakurit. Mabuhay! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Del Christian, 7 years old. Red Team, naglalaban po ako sa Red Team. Mabuhay!
Thank you. Contestant number 4. Okay, sama. Okay, so palakpak ulit.
Small boy. Lego. Lego.
Okay.